Take a nice scoop of the flavored rice. Rest a slice of meat on top. Don't forget the skin. We want the skin. We've worked hard for the skin. A slice of cucumber, scallion and ginger oil, sweet and sour chili sauce. Let's take a big bite of this simple, glorious chicken. Hi guys, welcome back. So Hainanese chicken is a poached chicken recipe. Before poaching the chicken, I'll be first trimming the fat from the chicken. The neck and bottom area usually have a lot of chicken fat hanging, and that's what we are looking for. Save these chicken fats for now. Next, I highly recommend you guys exfoliate the chicken with generous amount of sea salt. Massaging this chicken with coarse salt will help exfoliate the chicken and get rid of these tiny little hair that sometimes you can't otherwise remove. The next step is to rinse the chicken. To keep the bird safe and hygienic, I have cleaned my sink. Now make sure to rinse this chicken cavity. Some attention to the chicken wings and underneath. Hainanese chicken is the kind of dish that is extremely simple to make, but in the process needs a little bit of love and care. And that's what makes this chicken so special. Alrighty, so I have some water boiling here. I'm going to throw in some classic Chinese aromatics. These are smashed ginger and garlic, followed by a generous bunch of scallions. I'm also going to season the water with some salt. The idea is to mildly season the water because I'm going to add the chicken here, and I'm going to use the chicken stock as soup later. So before dipping the chicken in, please make sure not to fill water up to the brim. That will, cause the water to overflow. Now what I usually do is hold the chicken from inside using strong kitchen tongs and dip the chicken in and out for a couple of times. This will help the chicken to acclimatize with the hot water. Chicken should be submerged in the pot. If required, fill some more warm water at this stage. Bring the flame to medium and let the chicken poach on a gentle simmer. You would want the chicken to, gently and beautifully slow cook for around 35 to 40 minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to render the chicken fat to cook the most delicious seasoned chicken rice ever. Like literally, I'm not exaggerating. I know after you guys cook this recipe, I'll be getting a lot of comments below, so I'll wait for you. Cook the fat on absolute low. No additional oil needed. If your chicken did not have a generous amount of fat, then you can add a bit of oil to help render. Once there is good amount of oil, fish out the chicken fat pieces and throw in some ginger, garlic, and shallots. Saute well and add the rice. I have washed and drained the rice. Now from the chicken that's cooking, I'm going to add the chicken stock. Season with salt. Cover and let the rice cook on low flame like you cook your regular rice. Except this is not your regular rice. Now let's move on to our sauces. Hainanese chicken is served with an array of sauces, and depending on which country you are in, you will have your own way of serving the condiments. My first sauce today is a very classic Chinese ginger and scallion oil, and let me show how I make it. This sauce is also popularly served in Singapore, where Hainanese chicken is considered the national dish. So peel some ginger using a spoon, slice and make some tiles, and then finally chop the ginger. I'm throwing the chopped ginger into a condiment jar. Next, trim the lower ends of the scallions. Slit the scallions into half if they are larger in size than usual, and then finely chop away. You would ideally want to chop as fine as possible. Throw in the scallions as well. Season with sea salt. Mix well. Alright, now I'm heating some neutral tasting vegetable oil and waiting for the oil to come to a smoking point. And from a safe distance, pour the smoking hot oil into the ginger and scallion. My ginger and scallion oil has slightly cooled down. I just want to mention that this is extremely versatile. This really goes well with your chicken, fried rice, you just name it. You can keep this in the refrigerator for up to a couple of months and just enjoy. My other condiment is a sweet, hot and sour chili sauce. Yum! I have some Spur Chillies and some Thai chilies. Roughly chop them and throw them into the blender. Next, throw in some ginger, garlic, kosher salt, sugar and some vinegar. Add some water to aid in the blending process and just blend away. And just like that, you have the most delicious sweet and sour chili sauce ready. My third sauce for the Hainanese chicken is another classic and it will be ready in a jiffy. In a bowl, add some light soy sauce, some sesame oil in a 2:1 proportion, and then just add the chicken stock from the poached chicken. Mix well and it's ready. How simple is this? Next, I'm preparing some cucumber slices to go with the chicken and rice. This is superbly classic, and after having prepared all the authentic sauces, I do not really want to give up on the cucumbers. We are almost there, just stick with me guys. We want to cook the chicken until the juices run clear. So currently we can see this bit of blood still running. We want to cook this for another 15-20 minutes. So my chicken is perfectly cooked and I'm going to dunk the chicken in some ice cold water. Now this step is completely optional, but in my opinion, if you do so, this will stop the chicken from overcooking and keep the skin intact. I'm going to also brush some sesame oil on the chicken. And it's time to carve this chicken. The chicken is still hot and juicy from inside. The ice cold water just made it easier for me to carve the chicken while it's still hot. Time to serve. Gosh, the seasoned rice smells superbly aromatic. A few pieces of this juicy poached chicken go on the side. Some fresh cucumber slices have to be there to cleanse your palate after every bite. The 3 sauces that I prepared. And wait, the chicken soup. I season the chicken stock after taking the chicken out. I like to garnish the chicken with some fresh cilantro and some red chillies. Guys, just look at this. How has this humble chicken transformed? This looks phenomenal. Cooking Hainanese chicken is truly an experience, but it doesn't end here. Eating Hainanese chicken is an art on its own. Let me show you how I like to enjoy each bite of this glorious chicken. Take a nice scoop of the flavored rice. Rest a slice of meat on top. Don't forget the skin. We want the skin. We've worked hard for the skin. A slice of cucumber, scallion and ginger oil, sweet and sour chili sauce, and let's take a big bite of this simple, glorious chicken.
How is it?
It's fabulous. It's fabulous.
What am I doing here then?
So Emma is behind the camera, and my whole experience of cooking and sharing recipes with you guys is not complete without the real showman telling me how the food has turned out. So come on, please.
Finally. Can't wait for this, man. Seriously.
I'm gonna have some soup. Soup is so good.
You know, she makes this pretty often,
I do.
but no matter how many times I eat it, it's equally amazing. Gosh.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Leave your lovely, beautiful comments below. We both enjoy reading them. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.